Yo. So about that more money, y'all. Look, I'm a woman of my word. I said I was gonna give this to you. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm just saying. It's been a while. It's been forever. So let me know what you think. Man, here we go.
Excelsis Productions.
Represent more money, killing another free flow. Going out to my young and old, coming off of this with no fear. I'm right here with them words of gold. Gather up, gather around, watch this native queen get down. Plunge my knife into the ground. Listen to the sound I'm talking to. All of you, the ones who know what it do. Act a dumb fool, stuck up, brand new. Hear me with this lit truth, through and through on how to be a real crew. Little do you all see who you come to be. Running young, wild and free, losing who we supposed to be. That alone is a feat, don't you see? There's a big difference between you and we, me and we, I and we a team. One unity, the tribe of D, one and only APACHE Apache. Yup, listen up, we an unforgotten tribe, classified, genocide, honor who died for you and I. Cause like them, we unite side by side. Only if we reunite, despite the wrongs and rights. Who said what and who you gonna fight? Let me just testify. Our blood's bound, tied, already justified. Plenty want fights, forever ready. In the daylight and moonlight, keep curfew in sight. Remember, we the light. It's time to go and shake those who think that they own cool. Out and about, adding a fool, living on them YOLO rules. Bets on who's more cruel, who's they've got that bigger jewel. Over 21, fueling grade school, fail school. Got our preschool eyes, curious mind, heading off in a whirlpool. It's time to pull and tame the bull. Toss them in a roomful with their hands full for a spoonful. To stuff the full with a mouthful, to becoming more useful. Watch our winds settle back to that peaceful cool. Unified tribe, best believe we'll be more beautiful and powerful. Get back off and popping on our known roots, y'all. I'ma holler at these last few looking confused. Y'all goody two shoes. This the path you choose. I'm about to let loose. What you gotta lose? Let me remind you. I'ma fuck your groove. What you call a piece of shit land is a part of you too. Stop acting amused. Coming back, fluffing news. You doing for you. I see you, but what's the good you planning to bring back here, boo? With that higher education at some upper level school, I ain't hating, that's cool. Facts be plain view that society with ethnicity variety brought you back acting brand new, too good, all of a sudden mugging like I'm better than you. Let me just step to you. Fuck you in that bitch college too. Here's a lesson for you. Write an essay on the race in you. Soon to hit you. Who's not stand with you? Let me tell you, North is crew. Thought you knew. Where's a fresh crowd just like you? Go and scoop, but when you look back, understand that we will always be above who you thought you was. How's it feel when your own people who were there for you and all you do lost respect, close the doors to diss you? Your selfish glory up and share a solo story. Without you, no one's mourning, giving thanks on this new morning. You knew out there, this be your warning. Strip who you think you are before you come up lonely. Come back to where you can bet we'll have your back when the missiles and bombs start soaring. Because Apaches be like eagles, we're soaring, y'all. Pay respect back on the tribe and the land. Watch all this rain come pouring. This be a spoken genocide. I'ma keep spitting that light. Apache pride, y'all. Oh, damn, it is raining out here, y'all. Okay, so I'm in my ride recording this. I just did that shit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Look, this is my first take, my only take. I ain't taking no more. I'm gonna be taking a shower. Let me know what y'all think. Oh, I probably could have done better, but I mean, I got kids. I ain't even trying to play. I'm a single mother. You know how we do. Shout out to the single moms out there. Shout out to the Apache crew. All of you. Everybody else, I got something for you, but that's a little later. Peace out. God bless. One.